Hello everyone, welcome to the series of data analysis using Excel. This is Dr. Atman Shah. In this video, I'm going to discuss how to find kurtosis value in Excel. You can find more videos on Excel, SPSS, RStudio, econometrics, mathematical economics, statistics, and economics on my YouTube channel. So don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. So let's begin with the idea of kurtosis. Kurtosis measures the tailedness of the distribution. So basically, it measures the tailedness of a distribution relative to the normal distribution. So here I have the hypothetical data of students and their marks in maths, English, and physics. Now, how to interpret it? Excel calculates excess kurtosis, and therefore we interpret the kurtosis in this manner. If the value of the kurtosis is less than 0, it is plateaukurtic. The distribution is plateaukurtic. There are no extreme outliers and we have the flatter peak. If the value of the kurtosis is 0, it is normally distributed. It is also known as mesokurtic. And if the value of kurtosis is greater than 0, it is leptokurtic. That means we have more extreme outliers and we have sharper peak. Now let's see how to find it. So first we are going to find for maths. So the function is equal to curt. You select the range. So I'm selecting the maths range B2 to B16. Close the bracket and then enter. Now here the value is minus 1.13. And you can see if the value is less than 0, it is plateaukurtic. Let's find it for English. Function is again KURT. Select the range. So it is C2 to C16. You close the bracket. So this will help us to find the kurtosis for English. Simply press enter. Value is 0.02. So it is almost equal to 0 and therefore it is normally distributed. And then you find it for physics. So again use curt function. Select the range. So range is D2 to D16. Close the bracket. Enter. Value is 3.07, which is higher than 0, and therefore we have extreme outliers and sharper peak, and this distribution is known as leptokurtic. So this is how we find the kurtosis in Excel. If you find this video useful, kindly like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.